Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Foap is a platform and mobile app that allows users to sell their photos and videos to individuals and businesses looking for visual content. It provides a marketplace where photographers and videographers can upload their media content, and potential buyers can purchase the rights to use these visuals for various purposes, such as marketing, advertising, or personal use. Foap has been used by brands and businesses to source authentic and diverse content for their marketing campaigns. Photographers and content creators can earn money by licensing their photos and videos through the platform. It's a way for photographers and videographers to monetize their creative work and for businesses to find unique and engaging visual content. Making money on Foap involves several steps, and it primarily revolves around selling your photos and videos to individuals and businesses in need of visual content. Here's a guide on how to make money on Foap. 1. Create a Foap account. Download the Foap app on your smartphone, available for both Android and iOS. Sign up for a Foap account using your email or social media credentials. 2. Build a portfolio. Start by uploading your high-quality photos and videos to your Foap portfolio. Make sure your content is visually appealing, well-composed, and relevant to potential buyers. 3. Add descriptions and tags for each photo or video. Provide clear and relevant descriptions and add relevant tags to help users find your content. Use keywords that accurately describe your content, making it more discoverable. 4. Participate in missions. Foap regularly hosts missions, which are photo and video contests sponsored by various brands and companies. Participate in these missions to increase your chances of earning money and exposure. 5. Price your content. Set a fair price for your photos and videos. Foap allows you to choose the pricing for each piece of content. Consider the quality and uniqueness of your work when setting prices. 6. Promote your portfolio. Share your Foap portfolio on social media and other platforms to attract potential buyers. Engage with the Foap community by liking, commenting, and following other users to increase your visibility. 7. Cash out. When your content sells, you can cash out your earnings through PayPal or request gift cards. Remember that making money on Foap, like any creative endeavor, can take time and persistence. Success often depends on the quality and uniqueness of your content, as well as your ability to market it effectively. By consistently uploading high-quality images and participating in Foap missions, you can increase your chances of earning money on the platform.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.